channel. I'm going to teach you PC tip you should know, part 1. If your PC is having junk files, or if you are experiencing a low space, or if you're experiencing your disk is showing that red sign, like if you're having 2 junk files on your machine and you want to get rid of all that, and then this is your right place. So first of all, you type Windows plus R. Or once you type Windows plus R, this is what you're going to type. First of all, you type temp, TEMP. Then you press enter. You hit the enter button and you press Ctrl plus A to select all. You delete, and then you skip the ones. So this one is not really, the reason why this one was not deleted is that this is opening in another file, so you just exit it. Then you press Windows plus R, and then you type temp, the same temp. By this time you put the percentage sign on both ends, and then you hit enter again. You select them all, you delete everything, you go to continue, and everything will be deleted for you. So those that cannot be deleted mean that they are open in another file which are relevant to you. Then you move on to another. Once again, this time you type prefetch, and then you type prefetch, you hit enter, it will come continue. You delete them too. Note, this thing you're doing, it won't affect anything on your PC. It's just freeing the space, giving you access to high speed, and then like to let you have a convenient way of using your machine. Thank you very much. Follow me for more. This and other updates are coming on to you. Good luck.